So I just finished my 20th year of Salvation Army bell ringing as a Rotarian volunteer. And the one thing I want to say is I'm so grateful for my beautiful mother, who as a child, from my memory on, every single store that we walked into during the Christmas holiday season, and if there was a Salvation Army kettle there, my mother stopped and gave me money, whether it was pocket change or dollar bills, and had me place that money in those buckets. This is not a judgmental message at all. Not at all. It's just an observation. So, 20 years of bell ringing, 20 years of watching people's generosity and contributing to people in need. And today, many people, again, no judgment here. For all I know, someone could have stuffed a $100 bill into a Salvation Army bucket at noon today at their lunch hour. But just an overall observation. People walking out of Sam's Club, shopping cart filled with $200 to $300 worth of items, walking out to a $40, $50, $60, $70, $80,000 vehicle, and they did not feel motivated to put either pocket change or a dollar bill into the Salvation Army kettle. Mom, thank you very much for treating me and teaching me the right way. Thank you for allowing me to be a giving person based on your example, your generosity, and your kind heart.